Hello guys, in this video I will show you a detailed comparison of Claude Code, Augment Code, and Cursor to help you decide which AI coding assistant is best for your workflow. So let's compare three of them. Number one, their interface and usability. Claude Code offers a clean, minimalist UI designed for seamless integration into existing coding environments, while Cursor emphasizes code navigation and real-time edits using natural language, and Augment Code combines a dynamic sidebar and inline suggestions, making it very interactive. Number two, AI accuracy and suggestions. Claude Code delivers context-aware and polite completions, especially strong with reasoning-heavy tasks, while Augment Code thrives in complex multi-step refactoring and documentation creation. Lastly, Cursor is fast and flexible, performing well with TypeScript, Python, and React. Number 3, their supported language and tools. Cursor supports a wide range of modern web dev languages and connects well with GitHub, while Claude Code focuses on Python, JS, and config files with cleaner integration for shell and scripts. And for Augment, it supports fewer languages, but it excels in AI agents for testing. Number 4, their speed and responsiveness. Cursor is snappy due to local caching and prompt efficiency, while Claude Code varies depending on prompt complexity, and Augment Code can be slower on long code bases. So for final verdict, if you want the best real-time AI for general coding tasks, you can go for Cursor. For deeper logic and thoughtful completions, you can go for Claude Code. For developers needing interactive AI-assisted debugging and test generation, you can go for Augment Code. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.